we are gonna make Chutta chammanthi, which is traditionally made in Kerala. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it before we start with the recipe. So first we need a bowl of small onion for this. Small onions are much more tastier than bigger onions for this recipe. Cut both the sides of the small onion and then peel it. You can cut the small onion into smaller pieces, into one piece or two small pieces. And then next we need is 5 red chillies. Here, and take a stick or a rod or a small stew which you have. And place your chilli like this on the rod and heat your chilli on low flame by carefully turning it on either side. Like this, your red chilli is roasted very soon. If you want, you can even roast it in a pan, but on a very low flame. After roasting it, take out the stem, divide it into two and put it in your mortar. Here I am using mortar and pestle. If you want, you can use a mixie jar too. And crush the red chilli nicely because you have roasted. They tend to crush very soon. Now add some small onions. And add a small piece of tamarind. And then crush them slowly. Add more onions and then crush them too. And in the end you get a crushed paste like this. Add salt to your chammanthi. And little coconut oil. And mix it well. If you like, you can add some more coconut oil and mix it. Coconut oil gives a nice flavor to your chammanthi. And your traditional chammanthi is ready. It is a very quick recipe. But hope you liked watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel and bye till we meet next time.